Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my review about a Warrior Plus product that generates website traffic to your affiliate link or whatever you want to promote online in the make money online niche. All right, and I'm going to walk you through the sales page, the back office after you purchase the subscription, and also I'm going to show you how you get the traffic and obviously some results that I got since the moment that I purchased the product, which was less than 3 weeks ago. Now, the product that I'm talking about is called Traffic Blaster, and this is the sales page. Okay, so once I'm gonna leave my affiliate link in the comment section of this video. Make sure to check it out, and if you click on that link, you will be redirected on this page. Okay, and there is a lot of information here which you can read, and also there are several bonuses that you get once you purchase the subscription. And there are two types of subscription: the trial that you can try the product first for 1 week and it's only $1, but after that it goes $9.90 for every 30 days, every month. Or you can go ahead after watching this video. If you decide to join, you can choose one of these subscription, or this one, which you can save 40%, because this one is almost 35 for 6 months. Okay, so every 6 months you will pay $35. All right, and this is only the front end product. Once you log into your back office, you will have the option to purchase or choose and explore additional products to help you grow the traffic to your affiliate offer. Okay, so let me just jump right to the back office. Say that you purchase the product, you will jump right here. Okay, this is the back office, and there are a lot of information here. Like I mentioned, there are additional products that you can purchase to boost your traffic to your affiliate link, but I'm going to focus only on the front end product, which is the one link that you will be promoting to receive traffic. Okay, and what you want to do, obviously you want to watch these videos. This is the welcome video, and the important thing, okay, since I clicked on it, these are the bonuses that you get, and the most important thing is to submit your link to Traffic Blaster Rotator. All right, and there is an introduction video how you can do that, but it's quite simple. You just click here, and by the way, this is the additional spot, an additional product, backend product, which I'm thinking about purchasing it. Okay, so what you want to do is click here, fill out the form with your name, your email, the link that you want to promote, and I suggest you use a track link or a rotator, which you can change whatever you are promoting without, and you can save a lot of time. Okay, because as it says here, it takes up to 48 hours to activate your link on the rotator and start getting traffic. Okay, submitting the form is quite simple. And that is it, basically, except the fact that you want to explore all these other options, such as solo ad, other traffic sources, marketing tools, etc. But you don't have to log in every day to your back office. All right, you don't have to surf in order to drive to exchange that surfing for traffic on your own link. All right, like I said, I'm going to show you how you get the traffic, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So basically, you receive one email every 24 hours on the email address, obviously, that you use to create your account. And you will receive the email with this name shown, with this envelope icon here. Okay, what you want to do is click here, and there you go. This is the link that you get. This is the rotator link of Traffic Blaster. All right, this rotator contains all the other links that all the members are promoting on Traffic Blaster, and these are valuable clicks. All right, because I only go here if I want to seek new opportunities, to see what other members are promoting. to see new affiliate products or offers. All right, you never know. And what you want to do is click here. It will take you to this message. Thanks for clicking. You'll see an offer shortly. And there you go. Okay, this is an offer from a Traffic Blaster member. All right, and if you feel that something attracts your attention, you can join, you can see, you can explore. You never know, you might find something that will suit you and bring you great results. All right, and after that, all you want to do is click here and then click again on the rotator link. Now there is a message here from Sean. I can see which members are clicking to view other members. That being said, you never know what kind of surprises we may have for those of you that participate. And I think actually that I hope that the surprises are more traffic. All right, with that said, let me show you some results, and I'm going to leave this video with that. As always, I use lead slip and lead slip alone to track my traffic. So like I advised you before, I too use a rotator to promote my affiliate links. So whenever I feel to change the offer, I can change it here and not wait, fill out the form or send an email to support and wait up to 48 hours again. Doing so, you will never stop the traffic on your rotator, on your link. Okay, and I've named it rotator for Traffic Blaster Pro, as you can see here. Now for those of you who already use lead slip, you can read the results right here and you can tell that these are great results. But let me just click on statistics. Like I said, I've been using this less than 3 weeks ago, but a little bit more than 2 weeks, so I'm going to filter it to 30 days. And as you can see, filter by source, traffic source. As you can see, I'm talking about only Traffic Blaster Pro. All right, the product that I show. So let's see here, and there you go. 50 unique clicks, 49 real clicks, okay, and 14 opt-ins on my list. 28%. Again, for those of you who use lead slip, you know what I'm talking about. All right, this is a great result within 3 weeks, less than 3 weeks actually. All right, this is the test I did. Okay, I always test whenever I create a new capture page, funnel, or list. All right, and I mean, I don't have anything else to say. The results speak for themselves. Okay, so this is basically it, guys. This is what I wanted to show you today. And like I said, there are two types of subscriptions. I tried these first, and now I paid for this month until September 28th. I already paid 9.90, but I communicated with support and they said that if I want to change the subscription up to this, I can always cancel this one and then purchase the other one, which I'm gonna do before this subscription, my current subscription, ends. Alright, so like I said, you're gonna find my referral link in the comment section of the video. I'm gonna pin a comment right there. And it's a Warrior Plus product. If you don't have an account, it's free to join 100%, and you can purchase this product right away. I mean, I already showed you the results. There's nothing else to it. So also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. And if you like this video, hit the notification bell so you won't miss other review videos like this. I appreciate that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers.